Hey there, welcome to our session on boosting productivity with some fantastic business operation hacks. We're thrilled to share these tips and tricks to help you streamline your processes and get the most out of your day. Let's jump right in. Automate repetitive tasks. Automation is a game changer when it comes to saving time and reducing errors. Look for tasks that you do repeatedly and find software or tools that can automate them. This could be anything from scheduling social media posts, sending out invoices, or even managing customer relationships. Tools like Zapier, Hootsuite, and CRM systems can be lifesavers. Start small, automating one task at a time, and watch your productivity soar. Project management tools. Keeping track of tasks, deadlines, and responsibilities can get overwhelming. Using project management tools like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com can help you stay organized. These tools allow you to create boards, lists, and cards to manage tasks visually. Assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and track progress all in one place. This not only keeps everyone on the same page, but also ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Batch processing. This is a technique where you group similar tasks together and do them all at once. For example, instead of checking your email every 15 minutes, set specific times during the day to go through your inbox. This minimizes the constant start and stop that can eat away at your productivity. Apply this to other tasks like making phone calls, processing orders, or even content creation. Delegate and outsource. You don't have to do everything yourself. Identify tasks that can be delegated to team members or outsourced to freelancers. This frees up your time to focus on high-priority tasks that require your expertise. Make sure to communicate clearly and provide all the necessary resources and information for the person taking over the task. Setting priorities. Not all tasks are created equal. Use techniques like the Eisenhower matrix to categorize tasks based on their urgency and importance. Focus on tasks that are both urgent and important first, and schedule or delegate the rest. This helps in managing your workload effectively and ensures that critical tasks get done on time. Time blocking. Allocate specific blocks of time for different tasks or types of work throughout your day. For instance, set aside time in the morning for deep work, use midday for meetings, and the afternoon for administrative tasks. This structured approach helps you stay focused and reduces the temptation to multitask. The Pomodoro technique. This method involves working in focused intervals, usually 25 minutes long, followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 intervals, take a longer break, around 15 to 30 minutes. This technique helps maintain high levels of focus and gives your brain regular rest periods, preventing burnout. Streamlining communication. Use tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Google Workspace to centralize communication and collaboration. This reduces the time spent searching for information across multiple platforms and ensures everyone has access to what they need. Establish clear guidelines for communication to avoid unnecessary interruptions and keep everyone aligned. Regular reviews and adjustments. At the end of each week or month, review what worked well and what didn't. Adjust your strategies and processes based on this feedback. Continuous improvement is key to maintaining high productivity levels. Encourage your team to share their insights and suggestions for further improvements. Those are some of our top business operation hacks to boost productivity. Implementing even a few of these strategies can make a significant difference in how efficiently you and your team work. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and updates. Let's boost that productivity together.